Welcome back to English Fact Show, your friendly place to practice real English and grow your confidence step by step. In today's episode, we are going to talk about something that can completely change the way you study, speak, and even think: your mindset. In this natural conversation, you will listen to two friends, Sarah and Ben, as they talk about how they used to feel shy, nervous, and afraid of making mistakes in English. They share honest stories about school, work, and daily life, and how a small change in attitude helped them speak more freely and enjoy English instead of fearing it. This episode is perfect for A1 to B1 learners. The language is clear, the speed is comfortable, and the vocabulary is useful for real life. While you listen, you will hear many common phrases, questions, and answers that you can copy and use in your own conversations. You will also hear natural pronunciation, connected speech, and intonation that will train your ears to understand English more easily. By the end of this lesson, you will learn how to replace negative thoughts like "I am bad at English" with stronger, positive sentences. Use simple daily habits to practice English without stress. Turn every mistake into a learning opportunity instead of a failure. Speak with more confidence in class, at work, and online. You can use this episode in many ways. Listen while walking, repeat after the speakers, or pause and answer the questions yourself. For extra practice, write down new words and create your own sentences with them.